In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a digital product on Shopify. This process is straightforward and helps you effectively showcase your digital offerings to potential customers. Let's dive right in and make this as smooth as possible. To get started first, navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side of the panel, you'll notice a tab labeled Products. Clicking on this will take you to the main products page. From here, find the Add Product button. This is your gateway to listing your digital product on the platform. Once you click it, you'll enter the product creation page. The first step here is to give your product a name. It's essential to select a name that accurately reflects what you're selling. Remember, this is the first impression customers will have, so make it clear and appealing. Below the name field, you'll find the description section. Here is where you can let your creativity shine. Provide a compelling and detailed description of your digital product. Highlight key features, benefits, and anything else that might entice potential buyers. An accurate description also helps Shopify in automatically suggesting a category for your product. Though remember, you can manually select the appropriate digital product category as needed. Next, move on to the product details section. This is where you set the price for your digital product. Take a moment to consider a price that reflects the value of your offering while remaining competitive in the marketplace. It's crucial to note here that, since we are dealing with a digital product, you should disable the shipping option. Unlike physical products, digital products don't need shipping, and disabling this feature will ensure that your customers aren't accidentally charged with unnecessary shipping fees. In addition, Shopify offers something called category meta fields. These are extra informational fields that can be added based on the type of product you've entered. If Shopify suggests any relevant meta fields, feel free to utilize them to further enhance your product listing. They can give your customers more context or information about the digital product you're offering. Once you're satisfied with your product's details, go ahead and click the Save button. This finalizes the addition of your digital product to the Shopify store, making it visible and ready for your customers to purchase. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a digital product on Shopify. This quick and efficient process allows you to expand your online store's catalog without the need for shipping logistics. Now, your digital goods are poised to reach your eager customers, enhancing your business's growth potential. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!